Good afternoon. Welcome to the launch meeting of AltMed Supplements. This is the kick-off meeting, and it's on the 6th of December 2025. Okay, so we're basically going to be looking at the um, AltMed Supplements product guide. And you see there's stress, mood, and energy support. We have stuff for muscle, bone, and joint support. We have stuff for metabolism, weight, and body goals, skin, hair, nails, and anti-aging, immune health, amino acids and general wellness and skincare. And we have more products than we're going to cover today, and there's more products coming online as well, but these are the main products. So let's start off with stress, mood, and energy. So we start off with Adaptogen Fix, and that's at 185 retail. It's a very high quality product, and it's very um, high quality product, and it's extremely affordable. Adaptogen Fix. Okay, so if you go to our next product, we Happy Fix, which retails for 140 Rand. Um, and also it's with green tea extract and L-theanine, very good supplement and very affordable, very high quality again. And we go on for muscle, bone, and joint support, and we're looking at Flam Fix with Moringa and Soursop. Now that retails at 180 Rand, which is very affordable, and um, it's a very high quality product as well. So it's an absolute advantage here. So the next one in our muscle, bone, and joint support is MagFix. And this is for migraines, anti-depression. It's a good laxative and bone development. When I say laxative, if you have stomach problems and you're not going to the bathroom regularly and all that, MagFix tends to sort everything out. Hmm. And retails at 135 Rand, uh, and for the 100 capsules. The powder's 90 Rand. The MagFix Plus is 175 Rand, and the powder's 135 Rand. That's for the MagFix Plus. They're very high quality and worthwhile product as well. Let's go to the next product in muscle, bone, and joint support, and that's MSM. Very good product for joint and muscle pain, anti-aging. So if you have pains in your muscles, maybe you need MSN. And also very affordable, 115 Rand for a bottle of 100 capsules. Very high quality and extremely affordable. No excuse for not using it. It's costs next to nothing. Yeah. And then we go to Mega D3 Fix, vitamin D3 with magnesium glycinate. And again, this is an extremely high quality product and it really does work. Um, at 180 Rand retail price, and absolutely, it's for nothing. It's so easy to sell these products. They're so cheap and the quality is of the absolute highest. And now we look at metabolism, weight, and body. We look at our first product called Chubby Fix. It's 100 capsules for 135 Rand. Um, Extremely effective. So instead of going for something like one of these well-known other products where you're going to pay over 1,000 Rand for some milkshake mix, food replacement and that, rather get Chubby Fix for 135 Rand, just as effective, if not more effective, and take a few capsules a day and just enjoy the benefits of it. A very high quality, very, very affordable. And then, of course, we have the green tea extract, 100 capsules. Wow. It retails for 155 Rand. And if you just buy 50 grams of the powder, that's 90 Rand. And in actual fact, I've got some green tea here, not the capsules, but some real green tea. And what I can tell you is it's not the most pleasant tasting tea you'll ever drink. So drinking the capsules is really a big advantage, or to be able to use the powder or the capsules. Definitely worthwhile. And then talking about skin, hair, nails, and anti-aging. And one thing, I don't know if you knew, but if you look at the quality of your nails, look at your nails and see just how they look. Um, if your nails are strong, it tends to indicate your bones as well. It's a mirror image of your bones in a way. So, and the health of your skin, the skin, bone, muscles, and of course, it's anti-aging effects as well. Collagen peptides. People are all talking about collagen, and here it is. The 100 capsules, 500 milligrams per capsule. And for an absolute giveaway of 155 Rand for a bottle, you're not going to find this anywhere else at that price. The retail price is incredible, and the quality is that it's top quality. And glutathione precursor plus NAC um, retails for 185 Rand. Extremely affordable and very high quality. And, it's an antioxidant, anti-aging, and it includes a DNA repair component to it as well. So if you want to be healthy, healthy skin, hair, nails, and anti-aging, you got to get glutathione. And at that price for such a high quality product, it's an absolute giveaway. So if you're looking at immune health, now you've all heard of colloidal silver, and if you go and look on Google, you'll see there's a lot of warnings against colloidal silver, and they have some people who actually have gone blue and later died from an overdose of silver and etc. But that is not proper colloidal silver. Proper colloidal silver is just the ions. There's no solids in it. It's the ions of the silver in the water. And in actual fact, it should have a sort of a yellowish color. And if you put it on a shelf and you let it stand for months or weeks or months, when you pick it up, you'll see there should be no sediment at all. You don't have if you have to shake the bottle to mix it up, it's not the good quality colloidal silver. Now, this colloidal silver that we're selling, it's of the highest quality. It's only the ions, so it's made in the absolute best way possible, inexpensive way, but the best way possible. It's extremely effective. And of course, colloidal silver has antibacterial and antivirus properties in it. As a general tonic, it's really great. Um, And for 80 Rand for a 500 milliliter bottle, it's an absolute giveaway. A very high quality colloidal silver. In actual fact, I wouldn't use any colloidal silver, but I would use Makuli Muti's colloidal silver because I know that it's manufactured to the highest standards. And looking at immune health, still probiotic fix with 4 strains. Um, Now, balancing the intestinal flora, that's a bacteria inside your gut, inside your stomach. And in actual fact, there's a few pounds of bacteria in your gut which you need to be healthy. And by taking a lot of antibiotics, you actually kill those gut bacteria, the healthy ones, and you start generating unhealthy gut bacteria, and you get all sorts of side effects. Um, I'm not going to go into the types of illnesses that the people speak of, but in order to become healthy again, you need to take a probiotic fix. And I'm not talking about the type that many medical doctors would recommend of 3 days or 5 days. You need to go long term. So you can get like this preparation, 220 Rand, very high quality, contains 5 billion CFU per capsule, which is extremely high. No preservatives or artificial colorants. And you start building up the natural bacteria, the natural flora in your gut again. And when your gut is healthy, you become healthy again. So this is if you want to become healthy, probiotics is definitely something you have to take every day and take it long term. If you've ever had antibiotics in your life, you need to take probiotics long term. And I'm not just talking about a month. You could get this and take 3 or 4 a day for a month. But you really need to go for 6 months to a year probiotics just to get your gut a chance to really come right again. And for 220 Rand for a bottle of this high quality product, it's next to nothing. It's really cheap, affordable, high quality and affordable. And then, of course, also immune health. We come to Rapid Fix. Now, this got a lot of different things in it, and but basically, your vitamins and trace elements and that you really, if you don't have all the vitamins you need in your body and all the trace elements, your body's in a state of falling into a state of disrepair, and a lot of illnesses can result as that. Now, Rapid Fix just replaces those important things and high quality product again, 185 Rand, which is for nothing. Definitely worth it. And continuing with immune health, Vita C Fix. Now, it's very important to have vitamin C in high doses. They've done a lot of studies on high dose vitamin C, and the benefits are very, very good. But of course, you do need to take calcium and magnesium with it in order for your body to be able to absorb the vitamin C. And these capsules have got the calcium and magnesium, very high quality. It's not, it's made out of herbs. It's not made out of created in the laboratory. It's not synthetic at all. It's high quality stuff. Retails for 145 Rand, which is, it's a steal. It's for next to nothing. That's for 120 capsules. This bottle I'm showing you here was 60 capsules. So I'm not sure if you can get 60 capsules anymore. I think it's only the 120 capsules. But you can take it like you can take 4 capsules a day and it'll last you a month. So definitely worthwhile. High quality, affordable, affordable health in a way you can say, because your immune system picks up, your health is going to have a difference. There's going to be a positive benefit, yeah. Now, let's look at amino acids and general well-being. So here we have the lysine essential amino acid, very, very important this, especially with our diets these days. We need these supplements to just become healthy again. Now, 100 capsules would cost you 135 Rand, and this label that I've got at the bottom, it's 50 grams of powder. So the powder is going to cost you 80 Rand. So again, very affordable, very high quality, and definitely worthwhile. Now, maybe you are a herbalist or one of those people who like to put your own herbs together. You grind your herbs up into powders, mix it all up so it's properly mixed, and then put it into your own little capsules. You can buy 1,000 capsules for 300 Rand, which is actually very nice. Okay. Um, these aren't vegetable capsules, these are animal-based capsules. So, but I think that the requirement for um, vegetarian capsules is very, very small. But if you really want vegetarian capsules, um, we can make a plan and see if we can source them somewhere. But I think these capsules are okay. Something else that we were looking at was I don't know if you've ever seen it. It's like a little plate, and you put all your capsules in there. The one half of the capsule, and on the other side of the plate, you put the other half of the capsules, and then you put all the ground herbs on top of it. It's got like a little container, and you bring the two together, and when you open it, the capsules are all filled and they're all nicely closed. So one of those machines would be absolutely great. We don't sell them at the moment, but if there is a requirement, please tell us, and we see where we can source the best price and the best quality for you. Okay, and then we're looking at skincare, and this is actually my favorite product, Oxy Cream, Super Oxy Cream with lavender in it. Um, if you've got acne, pimples, or a bit of a skin rash, or anything like that, just rub it in. Okay, don't rub it into open sores, but certainly like a red pimple or that. If you've got a cut, I wouldn't put it in that, but it would probably have no side effects, but just not recommended. Um, and any marks in your skin or things like that, just rub Oxy cream in, and you'll be amazed at the effects of this Oxy cream. It's basically releases ozone into your skin, which is very healthy, and the ozone uh, oxidizes foreign bacteria, viruses, or any other thing which is foreign to your body. It doesn't damage your body cells, but it would oxidize cells which aren't part of your body cells. So very, very helpful for a big tub of 250 milliliters, and that's like a big tub. It's 80 Rand, which is for nothing. Then you can get like a little tub of 50 milliliters, which is like a little tub that you can put in your pocket. 30 Rand, definitely worth it. I would actually recommend that. Just start with Oxy Cream, yeah. And even for sunburn, you name it, any skin condition, just rub it in and you'll be amazed at the effects, at the beneficial effects of Oxy Cream. Okay, so that's the end of the products that we're going to do today. So today is just a kick-off meeting. So I wanted to show you the products and some of the selling methodologies. Okay, we're not going to get much into selling. I'm just going to talk about the wholesale discounts and a little bit of the downline. And then from next week onwards, we can talk about other more important things, on how to actually sell the products and really make money out of it. Okay, so let's start off with your marketing strategy. There are basically two ways to earn. Okay, you can buy at wholesale price and you can sell at retail price to retail customers. And this is actually the main focus of what we're doing. You buy at wholesale and sell at retail. And then the second aspect, you can refer people to your business and you can earn residual income from your downline. Okay. Now, I've designed this whole concept in such a way that your wholesale profits are bigger and the money from your referral business is smaller, to encourage you to focus more on the wholesale side of it. But of course, you can do the retail, the referral side, and it can be very beneficial. You can earn a nice residual income, a few thousand Rand a month, up to as much as you like, 20, 30, 50. But you would have to really build your downline to get that. But just a few thousand Rand residual will be just a nice little add-on to supplement your wholesale, your selling business, buying at wholesale and selling at retail. Okay. So let's just see what's all about it. If you are a paid up member of the AltMed Cannabis Club, now I think I've given you all a form to fill in to join the AltMed Cannabis Club. Okay, I said a paid up member, okay, because it's 25 Rand a month. But if you um, join in this month, well, the first month is free anyway. So whenever you join, the first month is free, and that's from my pocket. I'm giving to you. Okay. So you're going to join now, but you're not going to pay for it. And I'll explain to you afterwards how you can avoid paying for it as well. If you just use the business a little bit. And or if your total retail value for the month is greater than 500 Rand. So from the products we've seen before, if you get 3 or 4 products and you sell to 3 or 4 clients, one product each, you're already at a retail price of 500 Rand. So you already get the wholesale cost with the retail minus 20%, which is quite good. Okay, in the future, we'll be busy researching for additional products where we can get a wholesale cost a little bit higher. Okay, but that's something that's going to come down the line. It's going to cost a little bit of money, but we are prepared to do the research and spend the money getting that in place. Okay, and that's where the 25 Rand a month comes from. It's to help sponsor us, but it's just a token because the money we've got to spend is equivalent to tens of thousands of Rand, and you're paying 25 Rand a month just to help us with the club membership. Um, it's more of a token help than an actual that you sponsoring it all. Okay. I don't know if that makes sense. So secondly, if you're not a paid up member of the AltMed Cannabis Club, and if your total retail value for the month is less than 500 Rand, okay, and then you get the wholesale cost of the retail. Your wholesale cost is retail minus 5%. Okay. So in other words, if you're not really doing almost no business, then you only get the 5% discount. But if you're working very hard, then I mean you're only selling to 3 or 4 clients a month, you get your 20% discount. Or if you pay your 25 Rand for the um, AltMed Cannabis Club, and then you can also get your 20% discount. Okay. If you have questions, you can ask me afterwards. We can, okay. So let's say you're not a member of the AltMed Cannabis Club, okay? That means you are a retail customer. So you're going to buy everything at retail price. So you could come directly to AltMed supplements and theoretically buy at retail price. But I would rather refer when somebody comes to AltMed supplements, I'm going to refer them to one of our members so that they actually buy from you so you can get the wholesale discounts. You can get the business. It doesn't help that I get the business because that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build the structure and the club and the business. And I don't want to be selling into individual people. That's what you're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing the management and everything else. So I'm just going to refer them to you, and you as a member will then sell to them at retail price and buy from me at wholesale price. Okay. Sure. Um, so in any questions, or you're happy with everything so far? Okay. So your customers are in fact going to be retail customers, and afterwards, when we bring in the cannabis-related products, which we're not doing now, and which you'll be able to optionally sell, you're not going to be required to sell them. Then all the retail customers will have to join the cannabis club as well. But that's something for the future. But all your customers are retail customers. So the cost of being a paid up member of the AltMed Cannabis Club is 25 Rand per month or 300 Rand per year. Your first month is free. But now this is very important. If your sales, and it's the retail value of your sales, not what you pay, the wholesale value, the retail value exceeds 1,000 Rand per month, then your club membership is waived for that particular month. So let's just put that in perspective. If you have 5 clients and they each buy GlycoFix 90 caps, that comes to 1,200 Rand retail. So I just want to illustrate to you that 1,000 Rand per month retail value, not wholesale what you pay, but the retail value is in actual fact easy to achieve. Now, your club membership includes a whole lot of things. I'm just going to mention some of them now. It's all the rights of membership. We'll go into all those rights at some other time. It covers admin, management, and all the other hidden expenses that must be covered by AltMed supplements. And the expenses that is covered by AltMed supplements include, but of course, there's much more as well. I'm just mentioning some main points. The development of management software. We have had to develop a multi-level marketing system in order to make this offering. And that costs a lot of money and a lot of time. It's negotiating deals with suppliers and trying to get the best deals possible. And of course, people are working. It could be, if it gets going, almost working full time. And so we'll have to employ admin staff as well. Okay, so that's another expense on our side. And also holding stock for orders. So we would have to get from the suppliers a whole lot of stock and keep it in stock so that you don't need stock. So that what I wanted to mention is you don't need to buy stock. You don't need to have any stock because you can just put an order in and it will be delivered to you or to your customer, whichever works better for you. And it also includes all the training, support, and whatever else is needed. So that's what your club membership covers. But as I said, that club membership doesn't really cover it. But it's like a token of goodwill in a way that you understand that AltMed Supplements is spending a lot of money and effort to get it in place. And you're just making a small contribution just to say, we support you. Does that make sense? And that's why it's only 25 Rand. It's just a token, and it can be waived as well quite easily just by doing a little bit of work. So, just to recap, the club membership costs 25 Rand per month. The first month is free. You sell products to the retail value of 1,000 Rand, and then you don't pay for your club subscription for that month. So, we are all joining through the Cannabis Club because it is an exclusive private club. And this will allow us in the future, not now, but in the future, to buy and sell cannabis products according to the club rules that are suggested by leaders in the field, such as Fields of Green, to mention one South African private club. And there's a number of South African private dagga clubs or cannabis clubs. And we basing our private club on what they're doing. So our private club will be of the same as as what they're doing, which protects us legally. Okay, so in the future, we'll be offering courses on herbalism and iridology. Okay, we already have an iridologist who's agreed to present a course for us in, he said February next year, but we'll just see as time goes on if it is February or perhaps a bit later in the year. And we're busy developing courses on herbalism, which will also be on offer. Okay, so the reason for these courses is that we want you to be equipped. See, it's not only that you're selling supplements to the people, your customers, but that you're also able to understand a little bit better about what it's all about. You're not just saying, well, they say this is a good supplement. You actually know, okay, wow, this is vitamin C, this is really useful, okay? And the intention of everything at the end of the day is to enable you to offer CBT and THC oils to your customers. Okay, so giving your clients such preparations requires a medical doctor's prescription. So if you know of a medical doctor who could be prepared to write cannabis prescriptions for us, for a fee, of course, and your client will pay that fee for the prescription, we call it a prescription fee, then please let us know because we'd like to contact this doctor and sort it out. Currently, we are not offering any cannabis related products. We do plan to provide these products in the future. To enable selling cannabis related products in the future, we need two things in place. We need a private cannabis club and a medical doctor who's prepared to write prescriptions for us. So you can decide whether you want to sell cannabis related products or not. And there's going to be more than enough herbal related products. So you're not going to ever be required to sell the cannabis products if you don't want to. And then the second part of the business is referring people to the business. So there's a multi-level marketing component, and it consists of 3 levels deep and 4% from each level. So let's say you have 5 people in your first level, and each of them have 5, and each of them have 5. And if you add that all together, it comes to 155 people, but it could be thousands. Okay, so you would refer a lot of your people to your downline, but they would also refer some people themselves. So let's say you have 10 people who in your downline who are actually working hard. And let's say they each sell 5,000 Rand worth of retail a month, which is not difficult to achieve. So your income from your downline would be 4% of 5,000 Rand times 10 people, which comes to um, it's 4% of 50,000 Rand, which is 2,000 Rand per month, which is a nice residual income. It's not, you're not going to be able to live on it, but it's a nice residual income because so your main source of income would be your sales to your customers. And of course, if your downline were to grow, it could become even better. So this was just a brief introduction to the business and a view of the possibilities. In our next session, we will start looking at how to find people to sell to, and how to turn those people into long-term and happy customers. Now, in the meantime, why don't you order 7 tubs of Oxy Cream, the 250 milliliters, at 80 Rand a tub retail? And the reason why I'm saying this is that will put the retail value at 560 Rand, which is over the 500 Rand, which means you get the 20% discount. So your discount's 112 Rand, and you only pay 448 Rand. Okay. Then what you can do is you take the 1 tub and you use it for yourself. You know, if you've got pimples or marks in your skin or a rash, a bit of sunburn, whatever your skin condition, put Oxy Cream on. You'll be amazed at the results. And then you go to your friends, family, acquaintances, and just ask them to just try a little bit of the cream on a spot that seems to be taking a bit of strain or a little bit inflamed or whatever it is. And they will buy the other 6 tubs from you. And it's such a good product that they will very likely become long-term customers of OxyCream and therefore your long-term customers. So, do we have any questions? I see we're running out of time, but we still have a few minutes left. Um, this is your chance to ask me any questions you have, anything at all. Okay. Mondiso, any questions? So, Nelly, do you have any questions?
So
Because
far,
I
so
see.
good on my side.
Okay, no, thanks, Mondisi. Okay, that's good. Are you happy with everything, Mondisi?
Yes, yes, I'm happy with everything.
Okay, and you're ready to get going, buy some OxyCream or whatever else and get going?
Yeah, I would look at the other products because I'm just thinking of the people that might be interested. So I don't have a specific product that I'm gonna jump, quickly jump into.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, but
No,
yeah, I
that
already
sounds great.
might be interested.
Okay, no, that is awesome. No, thanks for your feedback. Yes, and and LG sent a message. He said that okay, there's no questions on my side. And Zanelli, I don't think Zanelli, do you have any questions? Okay. I see you've unmuted your mic, but we're not hearing anything, Zanelli.
Hello, can you hear me?
Well, we can hear you now. Thank you. Yes.
Oh, I'm clear on my side. Thank you very much. I don't have any questions.
Okay, 100%. Okay, well, I think that more or less wraps it up for today. So what I'm going to do next Saturday is because okay, remember you've got to fill in your club membership forms, and it's not going to cost you anything. It's a cannabis AltMed Cannabis Club. We're using AltMed Cannabis Club as an entry point into the whole AltMed supplements. Um, and the reason for that, in the future, you know, we're going to bring the cannabis side to it. So we already got the private club in place and all that. So that's why we're doing that. Um, so all you need to do is just sign up for the AltMed Cannabis Club. I've made it very easy. It's one page. It's about half a page. Your name and a couple of other things. I need your cell number because we're going to use a cell number as your club membership number. and um, and your ID number for the legal requirement for the cannabis club. Okay, ID or passport. Okay, so that number will be looked after properly. Legally, we don't need to keep a copy of your document. So if you just put your ID number in, we'll take it in good faith. It's the correct one. And yeah, okay. Did you want to ask something else, Nelly?
No, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
Okay. And then from next Saturday, I'm going to start showing you ways to actually find a group of people you can go and promote the product to, how to do it. And I think I'd like to do a sort of prepare a presentation where I actually meet somebody and give them a presentation of one of the products. Would that be okay?
And that would be okay.
Yeah, it'll hopefully help you to just sort of get going. Yes. Okay. And remember that once these products are so good and so affordable, that once people start buying them, it's a very good chance they're going to be long-term customers. They're going to come back every month for a refill of vitamin C or whatever it is. And yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. So you'll get return customers with minimal work. You'll get maximum benefit out of it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. Well, thank you all for joining my training session. I really do appreciate it. And I wish you all the best for the coming week and the coming weekend and the coming week. And I look forward to the training session next Saturday at 12 noon, 12 p.m. And any questions in the meantime, you can just ask on the WhatsApp group. And remember to fill in your membership forms.
Well,
Okay, well, I think having said
thank
that, I'm
you.
going to greetings and all the best.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye bye.
Bye, all the best. Eh?